What's going on, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man working out here in the garage tonight. Getting ready to, I think I'm going to grind tonight. Hell, I don't know what I'm going to do. Going to do something. Got to do something. Because if I don't do anything, it ain't going to get done, right? Cheryl did some cleaning in here. Got rid of that big pile of garbage that was there. But still got some grinding to do. You guys have watched me grind before. I'll spare you tonight because I'm going to listen to some music, and well, I can't video when I listen to music. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm sure I'll be a little dirtier, maybe gray hair. Everything in here will be covered again in dust. So see you in a little bit. All right, YouTube. It's now 9 o'clock even. I finished up about 15 minutes ago, and blew the boat out, vacuumed it out, cleaned up a little bit. But you know, it's I don't know. It's a futile task, I guess. Fetal? Is that the right word? Futile. That's the right word. It's a futile task to even think about doing that. But you know, if you don't do a little bit at a time and try and keep up with it, boy, you play. You play like heck trying to catch up, right? So this is what it looks like in here now. This is that left-hand side. You can see there I got the top done all the way to just about this this rearmost bulkhead. That bottom section there, you can see there's just a little bit left. But as you can see, it is completely done. I won't have to go back over it. There's a little section up there. I'm just seeing it now for the first time there that might need to be taken off. But for the most part, yeah, it's looking really good. You can see there where, this side is completely done. I'm going to have to go back over some really light areas on that side. This all back here is really good, but up front, I didn't do it nearly as well. My objective is to have this all completed definitely by this weekend, and maybe Monday, since we've got the day off, and I will not be going to work. Start cutting some wood for this thing. Get the stuff set up. Start getting things cut out. One thing I did tonight, I'm not proud of. One thing that I did tonight that I'm not very proud of, I guess, would be if you look up here. See that little hole right there? Well, let's see if I can focus it. Yeah, you guessed it. I ground through the boat. What I plan on doing is, once I'm done with all the grinding and the washing, is in the middle of the night, I'll get KJ up in the boat, or I'll get in the boat with a flashlight, and we'll shine the whole thing over to see if there are any really light spots within the boat that, that maybe I ground through, like that area there. That one showed up right away. I had just replaced the flapper wheel in the grinder, and I guess I dug in a little bit too much in that area. It went through really quick. I was surprised. So, but yeah, so that's what we got done tonight. Again, I'm going to spare you guys the agony of watching me do it, because you've seen enough of it at this point. What is this, day 4, day 5 of grinding? I don't know. It's quite the task, but it's coming out good. Again, this is one of those jobs that not everybody's going to do, but everybody appreciates when it's done, So we're getting there. Like I said, 9 o'clock already. I'm going to go ahead and get in the house, get these dusty clothes off, jump in the shower, get cleaned up, and then I guess from that point, put together a nice short little video, because I'm sure that this one's not very long. But for the most part, I'm happy with what I got done tonight. Just a little bit more to do. Probably get that done tomorrow night. All right, guys. The old Mongo Man is out. See you all later. Bye.